Now our little shack here has a room and a closet with a door, but it's pretty dark inside, so we're going to need a window. So let's make a window. Windows are pretty easy to do. Simply take your drawing tool and draw a line across where you want this window to start. Then you have to know how wide your windows are going to be. Let's just say this window is 4 feet, just for now. And that's a design consideration. So again, let's take our measuring tool, click at the right here in the corner, drag it up a little bit, and then we want to make it 4 feet. Type 4 feet down in the length, enter, and there's our little dot, and we can draw this line across, and there's one more line to do, and that's right from the middle here, from the midpoint of this line straight down to the midpoint of this line. And that's how to show a window, just like that.